Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dr. Mom. In today's video, I will be taking you through a tour of the reading shelves that we have set up for the boys. The materials presented here can be used for children ages 3 and above up to 6 years of age. The Montessori Reading Program begins with the preparation of the child's environment so that it is conducive to learning and reading. The program moves from teaching phonetic sounds and word sounds using a variety of materials like sandpaper letters, mobile alphabets and phonetic objects. Dr. Maria Montessori devised a plan inclusive of 4 different stages of teaching the children, helping them to read. Starting from the Pink series, which focuses on word sounds, the Lilac series, which focuses on high frequency or the sight words, then Blue series, which focuses on word blends, and then the Green series, which focuses on graphemes and their combinations. The Green series is mostly concentrated during the elementary stage. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all our recent videos. Also, you can hit the follow button on my Instagram handle drmom.in to stay updated for all the different activities that we try out on our homeschooling routine. Also, I would like to share that all the materials that have been used, I will try to link them up in the description box below. You can check the links for there. And that's it, over to the video. Thank you. As you can see here, we are trying to follow as much of the curriculum, the Montessori Reading Curriculum, as possible. We are not following in total completely. So I'd like to share with you these first 2 shelves which cater to the Pink series program. You can see here the CVC word boxes with the labels, the picture and the labels, AEIOU word labels and AEIOU word pictures. You can see this 3-letter word, just roll and form words and thing. And then some books. This is the phonics book that I shared priorly, and then some more papers, printouts, and the Jolly Phonics book for sounds. Also, you can see here the class monitor books from the phonics kit. Again, the CVC word list in toto. And you can see from Good and Beautiful, the beginner books, book B, box reading set, and some reading flashcards. Next is the Lilac series. You can see all of our sight words. This is sight word set I ordered from Amazon. Some sentence words and sight words with picture matching cards, and again some more cards at the back. We're also having the mobile alphabets both for the Pink series and the Green Blue series. You can see the blue and red alphabets here, and then green and yellow ones here for the diagraphs and the double bubbles. You can see this mat which was DIYed by my mom, representing the 4 rule book. And then we stuck out some sight words here depending upon what the boys want to stick out each day. Down here we're having these 2 shelves for the Blue series. And you can see the, again, word list, both the beginning sounds, ending sounds, the blur and here. And then you can see again word to picture matching, some roll on cards, again phonics book and word list and more worksheets. Flashcards type of thing. So here you can see these are the sentence and picture matching cards which was DIYed, and I had designed it and shared with my friend, and she got it done for me. And then again some more word program there, and then again a book set, book C from Good and Beautiful. The last 2 shelves here, these cater to the Green series program. You can see these boxes and more boxes, labels. You can see again all the different sounds and picture to word matching stuff. The diagrams, again I kept some of them here, and these for the Green series words, all the grapheme combinations, and again more combinations, vowels, and then some matching words here. Then you can see sentence here, actually sentence to picture matching. I meant to cut this here, but then I'm just helping, this is just helping them to read and look at the picture. Probably later we'll just cut it out. And again another word list here. This is from Trillium if I'm not wrong. Again, we have not cut it yet because the boys are just reading and trying to see the picture. Again, sorted out depending upon the graphemes and the base of difficulty that they enter. Again, some book here, the Busy Phonics book, and all the phonics different books that we're having of all the sounds all put together here. And then again, these books from Class Monitor Phonics Kit, again representing all the grapheme sounds, and again sentence to word matching. This also is from Trillium if I'm not wrong. And then you have this book D again from Good and Beautiful, and level 1 reader here. Again more books are there, but then only this much I am laying down here for them to read.